Good morning, students. Welcome back to the digital learning class, to the 4th standard social studies class. In last class, we have learned 6th lesson soil. Today, in this video, we will learn 7th lesson our crops part 1. In this video, we shall learn food crops and cash crops and protection of food crops and cash crops. India is one of the major agricultural countries of the world. About 60% of our population is engaged in agriculture or its related functions. Students, now comes what is agriculture. Agriculture andre ಏನು? Agriculture can be defined as the cultivation of land to produce crops meant for consumption in terms of food, livestock, cattle that is fodder, clothing, medicine and so on. India has varied climate. Crops grown across country depend on several factors such as soil, water, climate, etc. Our climate, soil and irrigation facilities contribute majorly towards cultivation of different types of crops. Crops can be divided into main types, that is food crops and cash crops. Students, first we will see food crops. Now comes what are food crops. Food crops which we use as our basic food are called food crops. For example, wheat, rice, jowar, etc. Food crops form the overall diet of nation. Wheat, rice, different kinds of cereals, pulses and millets are some important food crops. Now let us study in detail. First, rice. Rice is the major food crop of India. It is a staple food of Indians, especially those living in the eastern and southern states. Rice is the staple food of Indians, especially those are living in eastern and southern states. Rice needs a hot and humid climate and abundant rainfall. River basins and deltas are ideal for growing rice as they have rich soil and abundant water. West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh. See students, rice are growing in these states. West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha are leading producer of rice. Now comes wheat. Wheat is also very important food grain grown in India. It is the staple food of the people living mostly in northwestern India. Wheat needs medium rainfall and a cool and wet climate. Wheat is cultivated mostly in the northern plains in Punjab, Haryana, western Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Many areas of Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra also produce wheat. Now comes millets. Millets are coarse grains. They have grown as cereal crops across India. Jowar, bajra, ragi are widely grown millets in India. Millets are largely consumed as human food in the form of roti or bhakri. And also millets used as animal fodder and birds' food. They have a higher protein content than wheat and rice and are very nutritious. Millets needs a dry climate to grow well. Millets growing states. See students one by one. First we will see jowar. Jowar are grown in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Second one is bajra. Bajra grown in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Now comes ragi. Ragi grown in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Karnataka. Now comes cash crops. Students, now comes what are cash crops? Cash crops are those that are grown for their commercial value. See students, cash crops are those that are grown for their commercial value like jute, cotton, sugarcane, tea, coffee, oilseeds and rubbers are cash crops. Cash crops are sold as raw material for manufacture of related products. For example, sugarcane is the raw material for the sugar industry and cotton is the raw material for cotton textile industry. See students, sugarcane, coffee, tea, rubber and jute cannot be used as directly but have to be processed before consumption. Now we will see in details. First we will see sugarcane. Sugarcane is one of the major cash crop of India and it is also the main raw material for the sugar industry. India is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. Sugarcane cultivation needs fertile soil and hot and humid climate and along with abundant rainfall. Sugarcane is extensively grown in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Punjab. See students, sugarcane are grown in these states. Now comes cotton. Cotton is an important cash crop. Cloth is produced from the fiber of the cotton plant, while oil is extracted from the cotton seeds. The cotton plants need ample sunshine and adequate rainfall. Cotton plant needs ample sunshine and adequate rainfall to grow well. Cotton is grown in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab in our country. So students, in this video we have learned food crops and some cash crops and their production. In next video we will read the cash crops and improving agricultural implements. Thank you. Have a nice day.